You might hear news anchors talk about Operation Twist. It sounds like a dance move, but it is actually a specific tool the Federal Reserve uses. The name comes from the way the Federal Reserve shifts the shape of the yield curve, essentially twisting it to influence long-term interest rates. While first used in the 1960s, the 2011 program is the most famous modern example where the Fed bought long-term bonds to stimulate growth. By selling short-term debt and buying long-term debt, the Fed forces long-term prices up and yields down without printing new money. Unlike quantitative easing, which prints money to buy assets, a twist is a swap. It changes the composition of the Fed's holdings. The goal is to push long-term rates down, which makes borrowing for homes and businesses cheaper, supporting the broader economy. Ultimately, the Fed is trying to influence how expensive it is to borrow money over long periods, which directly impacts your mortgage rate. Understanding how the Fed manipulates rates helps you see the bigger picture of the economy. Subscribe for more money basics.